Hey, Jerry Zayden here with Camburg Racing. We got our good friends from GHA Racing. We have Papa GHA. We have Mario's Raptor in the shop today. And we're doing the new Baja Designs Onyx 6 behind the grill light kit on his Gen 3 Raptor. This incorporates two 10-inch light bars. We're doing one in amber and one in the white. And that gives you the best of both worlds. If you're in dusty conditions or fog or whatever, you got the amber, and then you have the white light for just driving day to day when you're on those long Baja roads. This light kit mounts behind the grill, which is really nice because it's all hidden. As you can see here, they go right behind this grill. There's a left side and a right side. And these use Baja Designs top-of-the-line optics, and they put out a tremendous amount of light. We use the upfitter switches to power them up, and that's pretty much it. Installation time on this kit's probably 2 to 4 hours, depending on your ability. You do have to take some of the stuff apart to get the lights in there, and then right now we're working on hooking up the lights to the upfitter switches, and it's ready to rock and roll.